After the IPO, how much will $10,000 and one Ripple share be worth? Coincident with the correction that has seen XRP decrease by almost 3% in 24 hours, Ripple has released 1 billion XRP from escrow for the month of September. We will also be looking at the probable reasons why the number of addresses has been decreasing since August. Last but not least, who is the current leader in XRPs? Keep reading to find out the rest. Watch this brand new video right now if this is something that interests you. We'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to our channel, where we discuss recent developments in the XRP ecosystem and the wider cryptocurrency industry. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to everybody who is checking out one of our films for the first time. Increased interest in a possible IPO for Ripple has stoked speculation about the company's future. Linda Jones, an expert in the financial markets on Wall Street, has spoken out. Jones said that investors would be wise to acquire shares in Ripple before the IPO. She voiced her opinion at a recent LinkedIn investor event in favor of XRP, and an influential digital asset investor afterwards gave the crypto world a taste of what was said there. You may recall that yesterday's Crypto Basics study, based on expert data, predicted that Ripple will go public with a 98% chance. While talking about Jolin emphasized the need of looking beyond the $40 per share price of Ripple to investors. She stated that investors shouldn't pay attention to the headline number but rather the $6.6 billion worth of the firm. Jones predicts that Ripple will expand rapidly over the next several years. In other words, a valuation of $6.6 billion for Ripple might be significantly underestimating its true worth. John also advocated for the expansion of Ripples by referencing the success of the Coinbase exchange, a US-based cryptocurrency trading platform. When Coinbase went public, it was valued at $86 billion. If this number is accurate, then the current value of Ripples is at least 10 times less than Coinbase. This led John to speculate that early adopters of Ripple may see returns on their investments of more than tenfold. In addition, the Wall Street guru presented an example in which a $10,000 investment in Ripple grew to $100,000. Curiously, she seemed certain that the massive ROI would materialize regardless of whether or not Ripple succeeded beyond Coinbase. That is, of course, if its success is less than that of Coinbase. If it's more successful than Coinbase, which it very well may be, and for one crucial reason. In particular, she thought that Ripple's accounting standard would allow it to surpass Coinbase's performance. Jones highlighted the fact that the XRP asset held by Ripple is presently valued at $0. According to the economics guru, the potential for growth is high if Ripple values its XRP holdings at the current 50 cents. Furthermore, a value increase of nearly 14 times is possible if Ripple USD XRP reaches its former highs of about $3.84. This means that a return of $100,000 to $40,000 is possible on a $10,000 investment. Discussing the video's backer seems like a good idea. This week, we're thrilled to unveil a fascinating possibility that might forever alter the way you trade XRP at fair dist. Users from any location may use the service without a VPN or know your customer checks. Fair Desk is committed to providing you with the resources you need to succeed. Because of this, they are overjoyed to announce that XRP leverage trading will soon be available to customers all around the world, making trading substantially less cumbersome by doing away with the need for KYC verification or VPN restrictions. Conduct fair trade dealing in safety. It is crucial that you be safe at all times. Fair Desk recognizes the dangers involved in trading and has designed their platform to mitigate them as much as possible. However, a maximum leverage of X125 is rather outstanding. You may maximize your potential profits and trade with peace of mind knowing that your funds are safe. Traits that others can mimic. Do you find yourself short on time, or are you a complete newcomer to the world of trading? They've got your back, so to speak. With the follow and copy trade tool, You can easily keep tabs on successful traders and mimic their techniques, allowing you to learn from the best in the business and make the most of your trading efforts, despite your busy schedule. Please understand that we do not provide investment advice. Are you prepared to show off your superior trading skills? Follow the link in the video's description to start your path to a happy ending. Connect with other traders who share your commitment to openness, safety, and growth. Keep in mind that the goal goes beyond just commerce on fair disk. They are devoted to making wise business decisions. Last but not least, a $100 bonus was given out in last week's competition organized by Fair Desk. Get ready for the next round of the competition, as Fair Desk is about to start a new round that people may take part in. To be eligible, just sign up at the link I've supplied in the description. Using the linked URL, participants must create a desk account and then start at least one copy, trade, or future trace. Let's go back to today's subject. The escrow releases were first brought to public knowledge by a prominent globe monitoring network, will inform via a series of automatic tweets on X, previously Twitter. All deals closed at precisely 12 a.m. today. Today, Ripple released 1 billion tokens for the month via 4 separate transactions. In the first ever live escrow execution, $102 million worth of XRP was released, totaling 200 million XRP. The 200 million XRP and the 300 million XRP batches went to the same Ripple-controlled address, boosting the address's balance to 1 billion XRP. For another transaction escrow execution valued $153.2 million. In the last 2 deals, another 500 million tokens will be distributed. 400 million XRP, valued between $2 to $4.20 million, were released from escrow during the 12th execution of a single transaction. In the most recent escrow execution, number 13, 100 million XRP worth $51 million were exchanged. None of the 4 August transactions came with any kind of odd message. You may remember that a mysterious document accompanied one of the escrow release transactions late last month, leading some to speculate about supernatural involvement. Ripple has not yet put any of the newly released coins back into escrow. After withdrawing the minimum quantity of tokens, the company will normally lock back most of the remaining tokens. Last month, it gave back 800 million XRP. Almost immediately after the escrow release, Ripple sent 19.9 million XRP to Binance, valuing at $1 million. There has been a decline in the value of XRP concurrent with these escrow releases, and will transactions from Ripple. XRP has fallen by 3.51% in the previous 24 hours, continuing its retreat from its August 29th high of 54 cents, as the market as a whole has seen a general correction. XRP has fallen 7.4% from its August 29th price of 60 cents to its current price of $50. The asset's decline during the previous 2 days has been significant. The rest of the market is also experiencing a corrective storm, so XRP isn't alone in its negative stance. And Bitcoin in particular. The original cryptocurrency has lost 4.48% in value during the last 24 hours. The value of the cryptocurrency market as a whole has also dropped by 3.35%. In addition, this is in line with findings from the extensive analytical resource list accessible via XR. Notably, the negative storm that has been afflicting XRP and the cryptocurrency market in general has resulted in a modest fall in these addresses. You may remember that the sum of all of these addresses holding at least 1 million XRP was 1997, starting on August 10th. In order to get the lowdown on cryptography, since August's report, 1987 fewer cases have been recorded, a fall of 0.5%. The number of addresses holding between 1 and 5 million XRP has reduced to 1446, which is notable. Last month, there were 1,461 of these wallets, therefore a drop of 15 addresses is apparent. Interestingly, there has been a little rise in the number of addresses that possess between 5 and 10 million XRP. As of the 10th of August, there were a total of 160 of these wallets. However, they are now 168 in number, a rise of 8. This tendency indicates that the holders are quite resilient. This rise in confidence amid the current market turmoil comes at a time when other types of holders have seen declines. Addresses holding between 10 and 20 million XRP have decreased by 3. At the time of the last report, there were a total of 160 such addresses. But today there are just 157 of them. The last month also saw a rise in the number of addresses that have between 100 and 500 million XRP in their wallets. There are now 158 wallets in circulation, containing a total of 500 million to 1 billion XRP, an increase of 3 from the previous count of 156. The number of addresses older than 1 billion XRP has remained stable, with the biggest group remaining unchanged. There are a total of 5 addresses here. Notably, the total amount of XRP held at these addresses has risen to 42.7%, or $21.6 million at the current exchange rate. According to this data, 80.6% of all XRP in circulation is held by these wallets. Since August 10th, the current balance also implies that fewer wallets possess at least 1 million XRP collectively. There were 42.92 billion XRP in the account as of the last update. As a result, more than 190 million XRP have been removed from their account. After Chainlink's recent success, the burning debate of the day is whether or not it should be regarded a topmost opponent of XRP. Don't miss out on being the first to know what's going on with XRP. Subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications now. A famous XRP and Ripple critic recently tweeted that Chainlink has become XRP's topmost adversary. Dan, a former user, was the critic. Dan made this comment in light of the chain's recent collaboration with Swift. In his opinion, the Swift Chainlink cooperation was the one thing that the critic had failed to do. As XRP's only rival, Chainlink has established ties with Swift and Ripple's other 2 main rivals, unlike XRP. Furthermore, Dan concluded that Ripple was antagonistic toward Swift. He said that rather than working together to advance blockchain technology, Quick was being replaced by Ripple. Dan now thinks Link has a brighter future than XRP because of how well Chainlink has collaborated with SWFT. Dan further claimed that the company's decline in on-demand liquidity volume from their markets report was related to the loss of relationships with MoneyGram and Quick Ripple. He felt that XRP's bullish potential was dampened due to its failed collaborations, lengthy disputes, and competitors' strong showings. When Swift, the leading supplier of cross-border payments, enhances its technology with Chainlink, he suggested XRP would become a less attractive choice for such transactions. Recently, Swift has made it clear that its platform can facilitate the unhindered movement of tokenized value across different types of cryptocurrency networks. It verified the partnership with Chainlink and other major banks. Although Ripple's attempts to form partnerships with MoneyGram and Swift were unsuccessful, the company does have other partnerships that are just as important. For instance, some governments across the globe want to use Ripple's solution to create government-backed currencies, and a recent executive statement from Ripple's payment business disclosed the company is in active negotiations with 30 governments around the world to incorporate Ripple's crypto solution. Furthermore, the Palauan government has moved forward with its partnership with Ripple to establish the Palauan stable currency on the XRP ledger, as was previously announced. This video has reached its conclusion. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you found it helpful. See you later, bye.